Hey guys, today we are in Audi A3 8V with keyless system, and right now I have the ignition turned on, and when the ignition is on you cannot use the remote. But luckily there's an adaptation procedure that we can perform over here. I hope you can see the phone because it's very bright, and I have OBDeleven already connected to the OBD2 port. I have OBDeleven application over here connected with the vehicle. I'm going to enter the list of all modules, and the module that we are interested in is called Central Electrics, index number 09, and over here we are going to enter Adaptation, and we are looking for channel called Access Control. There's Access Control 1 and 2, so let's go to the first one. And the first adaptation channel over here is called Funk by Klemme 15. It's set to not active, so let's switch it to active. Let's write new value. Security access is required, and the access code is 31347, so let's select it over here. And I believe the coding was successfully sent to the car, and I believe right now I can use the remote to close and open the vehicle with the ignition on. So it's a little bit loud, but this means that with the engine on you can lock the vehicle and maybe grab something from your home for a minute and not worry that someone will steal your car. You don't need to leave the key in the vehicle, you can take it with you, but the vehicle now is locked, and when you are back just press the unlock button and you will be back able to access the car's interior. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.